welcome back. This is part 2 of our video where we're going to show you how to install the gear shift knob. This is the pistol grip, but it also comes in many different styles. So let's get started.
Alright, so we've removed the factory shift knob. You pop this cover off and there's 2 screws underneath here. They take a Torx bit to remove them and they just thread right out. You reuse them. Reinstall your splitter valve. All you gotta do is screw on the adapter plate reusing the factory screws, and they just thread right in. Alright, then you screw on your chrome plate. It has one screw that holds it here in the center. Takes a 4mm Allen key to screw it. Tighten that down. Snug, not too tight. And your chrome shift knob just goes right on there, and you have a set screw on each side. Takes a 3mm Allen key, and you tighten them both down equally on each side. You would reinstall your screws just to hold this cover on. There's just 2 Torx screws right there, but other than that, it's fully installed. You can adjust it wherever you want, and then just tighten your screws down for the final fit, whichever angle you want it at. And that's it.